Well, I did not intend to make a video for you guys today. I brought my camera with me just in case, so I never filmed a proper intro for you guys. But I had a buddy come over who has always wanted to ride in the Honda. I let him get behind the wheel as well to enjoy the car. And I don't get to enjoy my cars as much as I'd like to, so I thought, why not have my buddy come over and rip around in the Honda for a while? It has been long overdue. We ended up getting into some trouble. You guys will see here shortly.
Holy shit, bro. Oh shit, that's so much fun. But yeah, how is this still?
Holy fuck, are you recording? We got a little bit of an issue. As you guys can see, that is our coolant temp. That's fucking hot. Huh. I wanna see if the fuse is hot. I normally have an issue with the fans not turning off when the car is off. Yeah, but it's plugged in. The fuse is popped. Wiggle it around.
That's the problem.
Well, the issue was the relay was not connected all the way. When Chance and my buddy was wiggling the connections to see what was going on, the relay completely dropped out. As soon as we put it back in, the fans are now operating like they should, so this car should not overheat on us again. It is kind of concerning though. It did see 240 Fahrenheit, which is dangerously high, and I hope it just didn't warp the head. But we're gonna go ahead, rip on this, and see how she is.
Woo! Like it's see good now.
How far down was it?
It's not. You threw it like right in the bushes. Not that one. It's like where that. I'll show you. It's on a.
Well, we lost our splitter doing a hit on this road, and we salvage titled it, damn it. Well, it's already broken, just snap the bitch in half. You good? Yes, sir. Dude, this is bad.
Yeah, this side doesn't have a seatbelt.
Should I just, switch over? Oh, just keep it like that.
Yeah. I'd pull off, maybe.
Well, he's right behind me right now. You want me to?
Yeah, you want it?
Is my wallet back there? Shit, do I have my registration?
Probably not.
Oh, your window.
It's right there. Turn it off. You think that was smart?
No, not at all.
Especially blowing past the Washington State Patrol office?
Yeah, no, it wasn't. Probably was not the best idea ever.
Probably not, right?
No.
You ever been video recorded, okay?
Yeah, that's fine. Recording. And I do not have my insurance with me right now.
Okay.
I just got this car back on the road, so.
I didn't get you on his radar, but I can tell you right now you're doing way above 45 right through there.
Yeah.
We both know you were, and I got right behind you.
Yeah.
And I finally got you, and I got you at 55 coming up the hill. After you stepped on your brakes because of traffic.
Yeah.
Cutting a couple people off. Right?
Yep.
You should be driving at me stopping you because I used to be a Honda boy.
Really?
So, what do you have in there?
K20 turbo. You want to see?
I know what a K20 is.
Okay. Well, it's got a big turbo on here.
What kind of turbo do you have?
It's a Precision 7675.
I had a GSR swap 93 sedan with a T4. I don't remember this thing. It was a long time ago, but I had about not as much as you clearly. I had like 450 wheel loss.
That's this better than this. This is front wheel drive still 700, so it doesn't hook. It just spins.
The booster boys kind of.
Yeah, exactly. Well, fuck, boys. I don't think I'm getting a ticket.
No, he didn't read on you.
No. You want to get out and get a picture for my thumbnail?
Let's ask a picture.
Okay.
That's crazy. So you're 7 under the wheels or 7 under the crank?
Wheel. Yeah, 7. It makes more about 750 wheel right now.
So is this on LSD or is this? I don't know if they have.
No LSD. So it's the most unideal setup on this car right
now. So like a one wheel peeling kind of?
Yeah, pretty much.
So mad torque steer?
Yeah.
Why don't you just do it? Why wouldn't you put LSD in or something like that?
This is my like beater car. I'm into Subarus, so I have my
you know
Subaru.
Josh Bader?
Yeah, he's my really good friend. Yeah.
Me and him used to be in the Hondas back in the day.
Oh hell yeah. He got me into Subarus and then Hondas. So.
He has a really fast Subaru. Yeah. This is that whatever the Hyper Blue one.
Yeah, Hyper Blue. Yep.
So like I said, man, I'm not gonna give you a ticket because I only got you a 10 over when I got you.
I appreciate it.
But we both know you're a home and mail.
Yeah.
If I got you without any faster at the right, you take it. I'm not the right, you take it 10 over, and I can't prove how fast you're going down there. I was literally sitting at my office doing paperwork, and I heard you hit 2 steps.
I haven't driven this car in a while. I apologize.
So I'm just saying, man, like, don't do it around here. I know you're recording me, man. Just
I do YouTube. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't put me on there.
Okay. Yeah. That's fine.
I can't tell you what to do, but
no, I'll respect you.
Just try to keep it safe, man. I don't want. There's a lot of bums that walk around down here and walk across here. You don't want to do that either, because do it yourself over the long run, right?
Is it all right if he pops out on the sidewalk, takes a picture with the lights on?
If I'm not gone by then, that's fine.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. Well, there, boys, there we have it. We got somewhat of an exciting video for you guys. We finally took out and beat on the Honda a little bit. I know a few of you guys have been wanting to see Honda content. Truthfully, it's just been tucked away. I've not made time working on that car yet. After today, though, I really wanted to go through this car and do the proper setup that I have been dreaming of doing since I bought the car. We did end up getting pulled over, stupid on my end, but it is what it is. He was very, very chill, did not give us a ticket, and it's funny, he is old friends of Josh's too, so I'm sure that helped me out too with not getting a ticket. But with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.